I have something very fun to share with you. It's disgusting, but it's a little happier note. And I'm going to bring in the great Danny Hatch to help us go over this. It's a play, if you will, but it's completely real. And it's about a judge, Judge Bryant Durham in Georgia, and an alleged killer, Denver Allen. Denver Allen was in jail for making terroristic threats throughout the years, and he ended up beating a man to death in jail. And so he says, Your Honor, let me explain why I don't want my appointed lawyer anymore. He has to suck my dick. And the judge says, well, you can't just get another appointed lawyer. You have to hire your own lawyer, represent yourself. Or that's it. I kind of believe you're not telling the truth about this dick-sucking story. All right? Here's what we'll put these on the websites if you're curious. I will play the judge only because I'm older, but neither of these guys come out better than the other one. And Danny will play the psycho-looking Mr. Allen.
Oh, it's
cast for this.
Right.
They actually look like father and son. Put them next to each other.
I suppose they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, black and white skin.
Right, black and white printer, black and white skin.
One looks like the future him with diabetes.
He's a big fat face.
Or, in other words, a big fat face.
Okay, so it is funny that in these transcripts, and it'll be funnier when you hear the words we're saying, somebody has to type all this out.
Fast.
Right, very fast. And when they get the stuttering and everything. And when they talk about the judge, they use the name the court. So it's the whole court talking. I will play the court.
Because he's very regal. And
And Danny will play Mr. Allen. Now, at what point during this do you think the stenographer can drop the Mr.? But okay.
That's very proper throughout.
So,
May, are you ready for this show?
This is theater. You
Yeah.
guys get to see live theater.
okay. Well, and I was thinking maybe I'd have Hemda or May play one of the voices, but there's something I think about hearing the two male voices as it happened in court that's important. So the judge says, in regards to your lawyer, well, you've got two choices. One, you can go to trial with him, or two, you can try the case yourself. Now, I definitely completely think that's...
I've got a right to have...
Wait a minute. Listen to me. That would be the biggest mistake you've ever made in your life.
So basically, you're sitting here telling me...
Now, you have...
You're going to find me guilty if I go to trial and try to defend myself?
You're probably right. That would be my guess if you try to defend yourself. Well, already a little yeah.
Condescending.
Right.
And I don't want to take myself out of a story by commenting on it.
That's
but
fair.
It seems pretentious.
That would be my guess if you try to defend yourself. You don't know anything about selecting a jury, do you?
No.
Do you know anything about cross-examining witnesses?
No.
Do you know anything about criminal procedure?
I know I don't have to
do you know anything?
this guy suck my dick
Let me...
to get some legal representation.
You know something? I'll be honest, Mr. Allen. I really don't believe that.
I'm not concerned if you believe it or not. But I'm supposed to have a right to get an attorney.
Well, that...
And I'm not going to work with this attorney.
Well, that's up to you.
So I hold myself in contempt if you try to pull me up here with the court with that attorney.
He's putting himself in contempt. This guy isn't a lawyer. That's fine. I mean, that's up to you. I told you what your choices are, and you can go to trial.
I'm just telling you. Well,
listen to me.
I'll just hold myself in contempt.
Listen to me.
Fuck you.
Listen to me.
Go fuck yourself.
Oh.
And then Mr. Allen.
I'm through here. Sorry, I'm through here. Are you all done?
Now, right there. I don't know.
You're through where?
Yeah. I know Judging Amy didn't just let you go on after you say, fuck you, fuck you. So, he tells the judge to go fuck himself. I'm finding you in contempt of court.
I don't care.
I know you don't. And I sentence you to...
I know you don't.
Right. Oh, it gets more childish. And I sentence you to 20 days for that. And if you say anything else, I'm going to add 20 days for everything you say.
Fuck you.
40 days.
Fuck you again.
60.
Go fuck yourself.
A year.
Your mama.
10 years.
Suck my dick.
You know something? This is going to be an interesting trial.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You're not supposed to smile in court. You know that if you smile...
I could smile anytime I want to.
It's a violation.
Now, let me repeat. I am the judge, otherwise known as the court. I can smile anytime I want to.
Now you're cussing and yelling at me.
I have not cussed.
Yeah, you did.
I am yelling.
Well, go fuck yourself. Suck my dick.
That's why I'm yelling.
Suck my dick.
You know something? You are absolutely the rudest person I think
You reckon?
I've ever met.
You reckon if I let you suck my dick that I could get a fair trial here?
Oh, I don't think so.
I got a big dick now, and if I pull it out...
I don't think that's going to get you a fair trial unless you have...
I'm done.
Every one of the jurors do it. Okay. Now, please pause.
No. The court.
This is absolutely true. Good for you, Rome, Georgia. Rome. How regal.
The birthplace of democracy. Well, that was Greece.
So he's
Yeah, right?
so he's saying, you know what? Maybe you can get out of it if you get every juror member to suck your dick. First of all, you're not even offering to suck their dicks. You're offering for them to suck your dicks. Well, if you get every one of the jurors to do it.
Okay, I don't think that mouth is big enough, sir. I've got a big old donkey dick.
You know, I'm sure mine's not.
I've got a big old donkey dick for that ass.
Good. I'm sure the women love it.
I don't fuck girls.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
I fuck boys.
Oh, I'm sorry. You prefer men.
I fuck boys.
You prefer men, right?
I fuck white boys.
White or black.
White boys.
Oh, butt boys?
With big butts.
Oh, of course. What the fuck?
I don't like that I'm on tape having said I fuck boys, and now I see the trap I've walked into.
Soundbite.
Right.
There's usually other people in the courtroom. They're just sitting there.
What are the cops doing? They're looking at each other like, the fuck?
Right.
The stenographer's like, I went to school.
Right. What if none of this was said? It's the stenographer's last day. And fuck you, and you got a big old butt. Bye.
Big donkey dick.
Right. Oh, so you like butt boys? Let's go with line 13. It's funny how they put the line numbers.
Your Honor, what is a butt boy?
There's so many
the
mentions
judge-
of butts and boys in here. It's hard to.
In order to become a judge, you have to be a lawyer for a while,
Yeah, well,
and then be appointed judge. And you're saying, so you like butt boys?
With big butts.
Like, don't you just leave Georgia? We have 49 other states. This is a judge in a city.
I think you're going to feel the same in like 30 something of those states.
I wonder. So you like butt boys?
With big butts.
Oh, of course. You know, you look like a queer.
Well, okay, so now you're calling me a queer in the courtroom.
I didn't call you one. I said you looked like one.
Oh, look, it's your dad, Keith.
You're acting like that of a queer.
You're yelling.
Do you understand the English language?
Wait, you're yelling. You're laughing.
Do you understand the English language?
This is Kangaroo Court, sir.
Do you know what? No, we're not in Australia.
I mean it. If you want to suck my dick, you can do it anytime now. We can get this court ordered.
You're so smart.
Do we have to court order this?
You're so funny. You're so cute.
Can we get a court order for you to get my dick sucked, sir?
I'm on Danny's side.
Yeah, well, of course.
Yeah,
I mean, if
I'm on
one of
Danny's
them's
side.
wrong, the judge is more wrong.
Right.
You're so fucking cute. I know all these inmates. Well, he didn't say fucking, excuse me. You're so cute. I know all the inmates just love you to death.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
That's
bet.
a rape joke. That's a goddamn rape joke.
Oh, I'll tell more.
That's a rape joke that you send criminals to. You know
Right.
what I mean? I send criminals to all this kinds of rape.
That's not a feminist rape joke.
Right.
Not like mine.
I know all the inmates just love you to death.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I bet.
All the white butt boys love me to death, too.
Okay. Well, I'll bet they do. And I bet all the rest of them do, too.
You ain't supposed to smile in court.
I'll bet everybody enjoys sucking your cock.
You ain't supposed to be smiling in court. That's a violation.
I can smile anytime my dadgum want to.
Now you're yelling at me again.
Are you?
Are they going to do it? 'Cause I feel like they're going to do it.
Is the judge really not allowed to smile in court? Where did you read that, Danny?
They have a good Jim and Pam thing going here.
Yeah, they
Real will they,
definitely
won't
have
they?
a will there, like Rachel and Ross, definitely.
Yes.
I am. I'm yelling.
You're getting mad.
Can you hear me?
You're shaking.
I am yelling at you.
Well, reckon you could suck my dick?
Yelling.
Can you take a break?
Yelling.
Can you take a break?
I am yelling at you.
Can you take a break?
Yelling.
you guys hungry?
Can I get my dick sucked?
Can you hear me? Yelling.
Can I get my dick sucked?
Yelling. Yelling.
Are you ready to suck now? Have you got it all out?
You know something?
You will, but you want me to fuck you in the butt then, right?
Oh, my goodness. You've got plenty of that over in jail.
I could see it in you when I come in the courtroom.
Okay, that's fine. You're going to be here on... Let me tell you how this is going to work. You're going to be...
You ain't gonna tell me shit.
Listen.
Suck my dick.
Shut up. Listen to me.
Suck my dick, you fuck man.
Listen.
Suck my dick.
You will be here in court
You'll
on
be,
Monday.
You'll be here sucking my dick.
You will listen to me now.
Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
This is the weirdest improv everywhere.
I'm going to tell you how this is going to work. You either listen to me or not. I don't care.
I'm through. Can I leave the courtroom?
No. And then the deputy sheriff, no, you've got to stay here.
No, I'm not talking to the bastard.
We are going to have this trial Monday week.
No, the fuck we are. I ain't going to trial with this lawyer present.
Listen, If you do not...
Suck my dick, you stinking ass cracker.
If you act like this, I will send you out of the courtroom.
Old bitch ass cracker.
And leave you out of the courtroom during the trial.
Horse ass cracker.
Do you understand that?
Horse ass dick sucking ass.
Do you understand that?
Big butt.
Do you understand
fuck
that?
man ass cracker.
Do you understand that?
Getting mad, ain't you?
Stupid.
Or red faced.
Listen.
Now you're calling me stupid.
Listen. Yes, I am.
This is Kangaroo Court.
You know what?
Did he forget his gavel at home?
Right. You have a constitutional right to be a dumbass.
Why don't you jump on that stand and...
You have a constitutional right to be a dumbass.
And jump around like a fucking kangaroo, you dumb bastard.
Well, if you...
Suck my dick. I ain't listening to nothing you say.
If you come in here Monday week and...
How about this? I'll kill your whole family. When I get in this trial, I will murder your whole family. I'll cut your children up into pieces. I'll knock their brains out with the fucking hammer and feed them to you.
How did we get here?
Are you taking this down, stenographer? And the court reporter says, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to refer you to the district attorney's office.
I don't give a fuck who you're referring to.
I'm just telling you.
I thought you were referring to my motherfucking dick, fuck man.
Aggravated assault, terroristic threats, and we'll just add to it.
I don't give a fuck. I will murder you, your whole family, your kids. I'm not supposed to be in jail. I was framed. That motherfucker asked me to eat his ass for a bag of coffee.
Well, you know...
And now you're telling me, but I've got to go to trial with this fuck man over here?
You're obviously...
He's probably a pedophile.
You're obviously fixated on butts and dicks.
Huh? I'm fixated on your mouth.
No, you're fixated on butts and dicks.
You've got a nasty mouth, sir.
Oh, I have an awful mouth.
You have a big old fat mouth.
I do.
You've got to have a big old mouth to get this dick in it.
Oh, I sure do.
All right.
Yep, I'm proud of it.
I'll make sure the next time I come to court, I'll pull it out and jack on you.
Okay, why don't you do that right now?
I jack on white boys.
Fine, let's make America
great again. This guy's white,
again.
by the way, calling people cracker.
Trump 2016.
Okay, well, why don't you do that right now?
Just like I jack on females.
Why don't you do it now? Do it now.
I can't do it now.
Do it now.
That's the judge. That's the police officers and stenographers. Do it. Do it. And do it now.
I ain't got but...
Do it now. I don't care.
Take off the cuffs.
How many hands do you have to do? How many hands do you have to do it?
Take off the cuffs.
Come on, jack off.
This is Kangaroo Court.
Come on, jack off.
This is a Kangaroo Court.
Jack off right now.
Jack off.
Are y'all getting this?
Yeah, they're getting it.
I'm gonna make sure this guy done call me stupid. This motherfucker done told me he was going to suck my dick.
I did not say that.
He wanted me to fuck him in the butt.
I did not say that either.
You're a real nasty ass judge.
I am indeed, and you're gonna find out
now
how nasty I really am.
You'll find out how nasty I am when I murder your whole family, bitch.
Oh, that's fine. You know, you'll be in jail so long, you won't have a chance.
The babies will be going, Daddy, Daddy, help me. I'm just going to knock their brains out with a fucking hammer.
Okay, well, you know.
I don't know how to, be more surprised, and yet.
I know.
Oh, my God.
Another curveball.
If I had any kids, you'd probably be able to do that. But since I don't have any, it doesn't really matter.
Well, you should have let the females do it. Hearing this in a female voice maybe people will recognize how much even dumber this is.
It'd be sexy.
Well, then I'll get your nieces, your nephews, your sisters.
It doesn't really matter. I don't have any of those either.
Grandkids.
Don't have any of those either.
Aunties, aunts.
How can I have grandkids if I don't have any kids? And then he probably leans over like, this guy's a fucking moron.
Brothers, sisters?
Stupid. You know, you're just completely have no idea of the English language.
If you're not going to suck my dick, sir, I don't want to be here.
Okay. I've enjoyed this. I hope you have. I know everybody else in the courtroom has enjoyed it, but you can go now. And if
all right, well,
if on Monday week this happens again, you will not stay in the courtroom.
Suck my dick, sir.
Okay.
I'm subpoenaing y'all's ass in this courtroom.
As he's being taken away. And then it says, the defendant was escorted out of the courtroom, and these proceedings were concluded 2:19 p.m. on Friday, June 17th, 2016.
Thank you.
KeithAndTheGirl.com